Today I will show you how you can make louder your INFINIX Hot 20. So at the start you have to open the settings, then go to the sound and vibration and tap on the TTS sound. Now just enable equalizer and slide up all of the switchers, or just choose the loudest equalizer from these icons. But if that way is not enough for you, you can always try to download the app, like this one. Now we have to click no thank you 3 times, this is the app name, and close the window. Now click OK, and how you can see now we can boost volume speaker by this little slider. If you want to turn off this feature, just click stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.